In today's video, we're going to learn about composition and structure of matter, what this all means and how they relate and differentiate. Let's start with composition. Composition means that we want to know what something is made up of, like the ingredients in a cake or the pieces in a Lego set. In chemistry, it's a type of atoms or molecules a material contains and how many of each kind there are. Now, for structure, it means that both what a material is made up of and how those atoms or molecules are arranged or rearranged. Like how the Lego bricks fit together to make a house, not just the bricks themselves. Let's go deeper into composition. The composition of water is made up of two hydrogen atoms for every one oxygen atom, or H2O. As you can see, there are two hydrogens for every oxygen. Knowing the composition tells us the recipe or the building blocks of that particular item. Now, let's explain structure more deeply. Structure is how those atoms are connected or arranged. Even with the same composition, different structures can lead to very different materials, just like Lego bricks built into a car or maybe a house, or maybe something else that you enjoy. It's how they arrange that they make up this structure. Let's talk about the arrangement and the properties. See, the way that atoms are put together, basically their arrangement, it decides how things like hardness, shape, and if something dissolves in water is told to us. Here, let me give you an example. Both diamond and graphite are made of only carbon atoms, but the structures are different. This is why diamonds are extremely hard while graphite is soft. By the way, if you don't know what a graphite would look like, think of your pencils. Those number 2 pencils, they're made of graphite. So composition tells us what is there inside, while the structure tells us how they're put together. And that arrangement decides what a material can do.
Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.